Tonight we're talking about premises liability, and some things to keep in mind when we're talking about premises liability is that businesses have a duty to maintain their property in a reasonably safe condition. Some things that may put them on the hook for injuries would be if they caused an unsafe condition, if they knew about an unsafe condition and ignored it, or they should have known about a condition and somebody gets hurt as a result of that condition. However, they can be off the hook for and not be liable for injuries if they warn of an unsafe condition, or they've got they took the proper steps to make sure that the store was safe, or they didn't have notice of the dangerous condition and somebody gets hurt as a result of it. So one of the reasons for doing the show tonight is in Tallahassee recently, there was a case that made national headlines.
Pretty celebrated.
Yes, it was a very celebrated case. It made national headlines. There was a restaurant in Tallahassee that had a statue of a donkey, and an individual got on the donkey, and they got hurt as a result. And I've got Tony Fusco here with me. He's an attorney at our firm, and he's going to give you some more information as to what happened in that case and actually what's going on with that case right now. So Tony, what can you tell us about that
welcome,
case?
Tony.
Thanks, Jason, and thanks, Frank.
Sure.
Well, it was an interesting case. Everybody heard about it, it seemed like, and it happened right down the street from us, so that put us right in the middle of the spotlight. I know just as much as a lot of people know. You know, I know what people read in the newspapers and saw on TV, and the person who got hurt, I think, caught a lot of flack from a lot of people chiming in, everyone having their own opinion as to what happened. And of course, we all are allowed to have our own opinion.
Sure.
But we wanted to have this show today to talk about when someone is injured, when can you bring a case? And here, you know, we have a donkey where it was alleged that the store owner and the employees of the store invited people and actually encouraged them to get on this statue, take pictures,
take a picture,
to use it in whatever way they kind of wanted. And in this instance, she got hurt in some sort of way, maybe coming off or getting on. And just like Jason said, you know, if a store can reasonably foresee a customer of theirs using, let's just say it's a stairwell, an opening, or even a product like this statue, they should make sure that before their customer uses it, it's in a reasonably in safe condition. So here, if there was a slippery step, you know, they should have made sure and checked to make sure that step was not slick or not slippery before that person got on, because if she slipped and she fell and they didn't take reasonable care to find it, then yeah, the restaurant could have been liable. But, you know, this is all speculation on our part. We really don't know what happened.